Good morning. How is everyone? For the new MMTs, we are going to do this live trade as we're doing this live in the marketplace right now. How the application works. 0.28 is a trend ratio high. 4.51 under the teeny line equals dollar amount $2.13. It's very strong up here at the top. They went down mathematically in the frequency and they went up in the frequency. They went both directional price movements. As an introductory, we will be covering that the trend ratio high, and the reason why we're doing this is because this is happening live right now. So when you're at 0.28, you're right there. You haven't broke it yet, but you're at 100 here. That means it's trying to go through that resistance level there. And here's your bid and ask right here. And there's your price spread between the public right here. Now, for the new MMTs, we look at these ratios because that equals, and this is how mathematically sound it is. And what do I mean by sound? Accurate as far as directional price movements. So when this is going higher, then we put a low in at 0.15, and we've come from this negative $1.17 on the open, and now we're all the way back up here at the top, and you can see how the bottoms are put in. So when you're using this platform, you're getting 5 teenies down and 5 teenies up at 47 cents a teeny. That's 10 teenies round trip, and our market maker platform would equal $4.70 in market maker debits. Those are profits in directional price movements. So when you're trading these things here, this will account for all of the high frequency algorithms that are out there year to date. One of the things that we do emphasize is for you to go to stockmarketfunding.com. Click on high frequency trading courses. This is all done during the live market hours. Right here, right now. Click on the symbols. These are live trades just like we're doing right here, right now. And we're at a major top. We're at 95. We could not break 0.28, 0.26. That ratio doesn't go higher here. That's a wall of resistance. What it does is it takes the consideration of where that strength is. And the thing about it is, on a low volume tape, you're at 2.6 and that's 2.8. You can see right here in Google, there's hardly any volume because it's the dog days of August for the new MMTs. That's why we're doing this video right now. So when these go negative in value and these go positive in value, those will be your directional price movements. And it's also a pricing control system that will be dissecting the price premiums in options like the 675 that we're going to buy at 80 cents. And I gave that order out before the trading day even started, because that would be the best price with the least amount of risk compared to everyone else who's paid way up in price. 350 was the high of the day. So when we use this market maker application, I'm at 0.28 right now, and this is for my new. Now watch, if I break that high, I'm going to break that price, and this is all done live here now. You can see it, okay, and you can see that we only have one high of the day here, and he's not breaking through there, okay, and this is very strong. The movement is strong, but the buyers just are not taking that out because you're not breaking 0.28. As an introductory, we can see here that electronic pricing script is not breaking the highs in high frequency. And we're right there. And we're right at 28. We're just right here in directional price movement. And this is live. This was a great short, and this was the long. We're right back where we started. That's how accurate this is. This is why it's exciting, MMTs. there, just like over here earlier today when it broke down. Bam, we're starting to see that here now. So let's do this. Let's just take this movement right here. Let's take these tops right here. And you can see how mathematically correct this is in both directional price movements. When this descends in value, you're getting paid on this side. When you put the bottom and you start to put in the bases and the values start to change, that means that the high frequency trading algorithm programs will leverage up and go higher in value. And each line is already pre-calculated. It's an introductory only to the new enrollees. However, for people that are watching the video that are not MMTs, it would probably behoove you to learn, and we invite you to come and join us if you're really serious about markets, that is. And this is our platform. There's a lot behind it. It's accurate. You're welcome to join us to see how you can compete with supercomputing buy and sell scripts, meaning supercomputing is high advanced technologies in the bid and ask. And what is that? That's this right here. But here's the directional price movements. And it tells us exactly what he's doing. And the gauges down here represent, once again, they represent when this IR is at 96, when this needle goes that way, you come down in price. When the current 2.7, 2.8 in the gauges, 2.8 was a high, 2.7, if you can't get above that, that's why we're having resistance there on very light volume. And once again, those are the readings that are in here. So when you learn how to use this correctly as you start doing your paper trading status, you will see the accuracy of the directional price movements and the ascending values to go long, and you make money. So you make 5 teenies this way, and you make 5 teenies going long. That's 10 teenies round trip, which equals $4.70 in both directional price movement. Once again, it's just an introductory to the new MMTs. So this is how our application works, and it's a market maker platform. It's all mathematical ratios. So when I can't break 0.28, I start to lose price. They just can't break the high, and it's live, and it's right now. We haven't seen this for a while. Usually the high frequency computing cycles will blow right through those highs and make a series of higher highs. You only have one high of the day. As of 9:20 a.m., 8/17/2012, once again, when price falls, this is at 24, and the 3-minute bar and the diamond is descending in value at support. But you're not breaking the ratio high of the day. Therefore, that's strong resistance for this particular moment in time in the bid and ask, because it's live in the market. And once again, for the new MMTs or anyone watching this, this will remove all of the emotions that high frequency trading program works in the exchange model, meaning that the algo goes crazy, it creates a lot of motion in the end user, and they can't keep up with it, and there's lots of things that happen, but this will decipher it for us as it is right now.